All right, now I just want to talk about your selection tool and your time shift tool. Your selection tool allows you to grab a portion of your audio and select it. So I have this area here selected, and I can do a number of functions with it. If I hit backspace, boom, it chops that portion out that I had selected, and it slides the rest of my audio over. I'm going to go ahead and undo that. And for all you guys that don't know, I just hit the hotkey, which was Control Z. You can go over here to edit, and there's a number of functions over here that you can do. Cut does the same thing that I did with the backspace. It cut the portion that I had selected out, and it will slide the rest of my audio over. You have to be careful with that, because if I had multiple, let's say I had some drums under here, everything's perfectly in sync, I have it good to go, and then if I delete this, now everything's going to be offset and you're going to have a hot mess. So you definitely want to use that one with caution. I'll show you a quick way. If you did just want to silence a section, all you need to do is go to edit. Then you're going to go under the same tab, you're going to go to silence audio. It keeps everything in the position and it silences out that audio, so you will not hear it at all. Then there's various other options that you have in here. I'm going to go ahead and show you the slice tool. So if I have my selection tool, I'm just going to give one click of the mouse, boom, to put my selection tool there. Then I'm going to go over to clip boundaries and hit split. What that does is that allows you to use your time shift tool. And I broke this track into two different portions, so now I can just freely move this part here. Let's see what happened if I didn't split the track before I did that. Okay, so it drags the whole track together, and you might want to do that, or you might not want to do that. So if you don't want to do it, obviously you have that option to do the split, and then you can just move this anywhere you want to. So that can also be an alternative versus hitting silence the audio. You could just split it, move it over if you need to, or you can split and take the whole section out if you like.